We had the opportunity to go full send with some Lamborghinis on a frozen lake in Canada, and we're going to bring you along for the ride. If you're not already one of my awesome subscribers, make sure you hit that button and also go leave some comments once you watch. Welcome to Esperienza Neve, hosted by Lamborghini at Lake Sacacomie, Quebec. This awesome winter driving program gives Lamborghini owners the opportunity to really push the limits of the current Lamborghini lineup, all in the setting of a frozen lake in Canada. So you're getting to drive the Sterrato, the Revuelto, and the Urus out here on this wide open expanse of frozen wilderness. These Lamborghinis were fitted with specialized studs in the tire to make sure that we could get maximum grip on the frozen surface. Those studded tires allowed for fun things such as this, but first we got started on day one with dog sledding. Not a Lambo. They are ready to go. After our dog sledding adventure, we caught a glimpse of the Revuelto that we would be driving the next day, and then we headed back to the lodge to attempt to drive a Revuelto on the sim. Not your best piece of driving. It is night number one. We are about to do hot laps on the track with some of the professional drivers. After some introductions to the driving instructors, we ended up hopping in some cars and headed out with them to do some hot laps around the track. Look at that tandem drift. You! These guys made it look way easier than it really is.
I love that you guys are tandeming. This is great.
Day two started with a driver briefing that included an overview of each of the drills that we would be running, and then we were divided into groups and sent out to start our first drills. For us, that happened to be the timed Top Gun event. So somehow we're doing the timed one first, which means that we're gonna suck. This isn't even fair. We have to go first, and our first event is timed for the whole day. And we literally just started to learn what we're doing. Good luck.
All right, so we get going, get to the start. There we go, right. Left. Whoop, I don't let it go, JF. There we go.
No puppy roulette.
Try to do the shortest distance, punch it.
But not too much because speed sends you back.
You go too far out.
Yeah.
So you want to get some speed. You get going here. There we go. No call, no call.
And then punch it through there.
So easy. Oh, no. There you go. There you go. Back to the right. Go ahead. Back to the right. Off the gas. Turn hard. Stab it. But you're way wide. Wait. You're way wide. She stayed in the gas. That was going to be pretty good. She might give you a run for your money here. I'm not going to lie.
She has no bad habits. All right, here we go.
Wait, hey, next, go ahead.
Oh,
Go.
okay.
Yeah. Back to the right. Back to the right. Back to the right.
And left.
Stab
and
it. Stab it. Now catch it. Stay in it. Keep turning left. Keep turning left. Keep turning left. Back to the right. Stay in it. Stay more gas. More gas. More gas. Back to the right. More gas. Back to the right. Back to the right. Stay in it. Stay in more gas. More gas. More gas. More gas. More gas. Off the gas. There you go.
You'll find out what our official times were at the end of the video. Oh, she did way better there than me.
Right.
Next, we shifted into the Sterratos on the 360. We quickly learned that drifting a mid-engine, all-wheel drive Lamborghini on ice is very different from drifting a C6 Corvette on pavement. This was the first realization that this is a very different experience. And here it is from the driver's point of view.
Go back to the shit.
Oh shit.
Get it out.
Okay, let's try this again.
The instructors for this event were absolutely awesome and absurdly patient, and it was their coaching that helped us improve throughout the day. As you can see by all the snow and ice here, we were absolutely thrashing these cars. Just as we were starting to get the hang of going in this direction, it was time to switch and go the other way.
Hands. Keep it constant throttle.
Jeez, this is tough.
There you go. So you've got to get that feel down. We don't have that feel yet. So keep going.
My only real complaint about this program is that just as we would start getting comfortable with one drill or a particular car, it was time to switch to the next one, which is what happened here in this case, because after the Sterrato, it was time to hit the Revuelto on the short track.
Time for the Revueltos.
With over 1,000 horsepower coming from a screaming V12, the Revuelto is a monster to handle, especially whenever you put it on ice.
Lift, and I keep this slide going next over.
And just remember all of this as we're doing it in 1,000 horsepower.
I'll repeat.
That's it.
It's just like your C6, Roy.
Yeah,
Whoa.
right.
Yeah. Whoa, hang on. We're tank slapping. Here we go. Oh, watch the snowbank. Jesus. Hang on straight.
Holy shit.
It's a little different. Definitely different than the Sterrato and the Urus.
Goes sliding all over the place.
Back to the right a little bit. Now you gotta go back over here.
Woo!
Always wide with this so that you have room. Stay in the power, don't flick it so hard. Stay in the power, stay in the power.
Midday brought us to lunch, where we also got to enjoy a Canadian maple syrup delicacy for dessert.
One in Canada.
And then it was time to hit the long track in the Revuelto. It has turned into a literal snow globe outside. We still need to run the Revueltos through the full course a couple times, and this visibility is going to make it fun. It's Revuelto time on the full course. Which one are you getting in?
Oh no, I have you again.
I got faith in you though.
Godspeed.
So the windows are all clear for now. Are you going to keep it out of the snowbank?
No.
You're not going to keep it out of the snowbank?
Definitely gonna end up in the bank.
No, let's not do that.
We'll see what your coaching leads me to do.
No.
Of
course
all
it's
up to
my
you.
fault.
It is. There we
It's
go.
always the guy's fault.
It is.
Yep, well, where are we going? We're zigzagging for no reason. Let's go straight. So that's just your apex to let you know where you should be. Yep, keep going straight. This is going to bend to the left, and then you're going to go into a tight right-hander. So stay out here, stay out left, stay out left, stay out left. Now turn right, turn with a little bit of gas, and then back to the left. Yep, back to the left, a little more left, way more left. Like, you're going to have to drive it. It's not going to drive itself. It's going to be a very tight left-hander. Here we go. Keep turning. Off the gas, off the gas. There you go. Now back to the gas. That's it. Back to the gas. Hard right. This is going to be a hairpin right. There you go. Yep. Keep turning right. Keep turning right. Trust yourself. Off the gas. Back to the gas. Back to the gas. Back to the gas. All right, there you go. There you go. That's it. Back to the left. Back to the left. Stay ahead of the car there. Don't let it drive you. You drive it. There you go. Back to the right. We're going to go straight right here.
While one of us was getting the hang of it, the other chick who drives it was discovering just how fast you can lose control of a Revuelto on ice.
Nice and smooth. Yep, hold that. Bring us back. Stay in the power, stay in the power, stay in the power, stay in the power. No, not too much. And...
There it went.
Gonna need it, Joe.
Don't worry, this was not the first or the last extraction of the day. Hey, that's Sterrato stuffed it better. That Sterrato was all four.
I noticed.
Yeah.
She stuffed it so good I couldn't even get out. The snow was up to here.
Keep going left. There you go. Steer into the drift. Come on, drift. That's it. Back to the left. There you go. Almost hit the cone and the pole. That's okay.
And the pole.
There we go.
We didn't end up in a bank, okay?
Well, they ended up there, which means we can end up there. We don't want to go bowling. You want to bowl?
Oh, I need to go.
Straight.
What?
Keep going straight.
Oh,
Keep going
straight.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought it was over there.
No.
Oh, this is what I wanted to do last time.
There you go.
Okay.
You can go. Wow. They got the
Damn, they did good.
Yeah.
2 for 2 on putting it in the snowbank. Extraction number 2. So the other chick who drives it, me, sent this car into 2 snowbanks, but these are much sturdier than anybody anticipates because they're fine. Front splitter, no damage, 2 snowbank entries, all good. Not all of her time was spent stuck in a snowbank. Rest assured, she did get some driving in. And then after that, it was time to bring the Revueltos in and then take each of the other cars out for a hot lap on the full track as well. Driving the Revuelto, Sterrato, and Urus back-to-back in these conditions really demonstrated the differences between each of the cars with how the weight transfers and how the power gets distributed. Once we took a few more hot laps, it was time to get our final times in the Top Gun event. What was her time?
Melinda's time is a 19.98.
It was incredible to have the opportunity to drive these cars in these conditions and really test their limits. I only wish that we had a little bit more time to really get the techniques down and get better. Let us know your thoughts on this adventure down in the comments and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our driving adventures moving forward.